Hello guys, welcome back to the SkillsTechy channel. In the last video we have understood about the basic of a string data type, and you also understood the functionalities in a string code provided, such as the escape character or backslash operator. So let's continue exploring the functionalities of a string data type and start by building a small application that could take your desert order. In string operations, we have the functions called string concatenation. So in this video, we'll learn about how to do this string concatenation. So let's try building a system that could ask for flavor and the type of dessert which user wants. So now we are providing some input here by declaring a variable called flavor that is equal to input, and we'll call the string function that is what flavor would you like. And in the dessert type, again we'll give the variable by the user input, which could be what type of dessert do you like. So after run, it will give an answer, or it will give an output of this. So we'll put in what flavor would you like, we'll put banana, and what type of dessert do you like, we'll put the ice cream. So it will give us the output of that, and now we'll print by giving this string function, and we'll use the concatenate function here, such as flavor, and to use the concatenate we give the plus sign, and to give the space we can use the single quotation, and if you want some other function into that space you can also put that, as we did in this, like flavor plus single quotation plus dessert type. So you can see the output, you have entered the banana ice cream. So congrats guys on building a simple app using input function, which is the most important function in the Python, and string functions. So in the next video we'll learn about some string manipulation. Thank you.